Hi guys, so today I'm going to go through how to do partial products. So let's say that our problem is going to be 526 times 4. So with partial products, we're just multiplying our numbers like so. So first we're going to multiply our ones together, 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Then what we're going to do next is we're going to multiply our ones here by our tens. 4 times 20, right? Because it's the twos in the tens place. 20 times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8 and add 1 0, so 80. Then we're going to multiply our ones by our hundreds. So that's 500 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus our 2 zeros is 2,000. Then we add it up. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 2 plus 0 is 0, or 2. So 2,104. So that is how we do partial products with just a multi-digit number by a one-digit number. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a two-digit number by a two-digit number. So let's do 27 times 61. So we're going to do our ones first. 7 times 1, which is 7. Then we're going to multiply our 1 by our 10. So 1 times 20. 1 times 20 is 20. Then we're going to multiply our other 1 by our 10. So 7 times 60. 7 times 60, 7 times 6 is 42. Add a 0, 420. Then we're going to multiply our 10s, 60 times 20. 6 times 2 is 12, add 2 zeros. Oops. Now we add it up. 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1,647. So what we're doing is we're multiplying each of our numbers by each other, but we're also taking into account what place that it's in. So this time we just multiplied by the ones. So it's 7 times 1. Then we multiplied our 1 times the 2 in the tens place. So 2 in the tens place is 20. So 1 times 20. Then we did 7 times the 6 in the tens place, which is 60. And then 2 times the 6 in the tens, so 60 times 20. Remember, this is very similar to area model. It's just without drawing it. Okay, so this is how we would do partial products with multiplying a multi-digit number by a one-digit number, as well as a two-digit number by a two-digit number. We could also do a three-digit number by a two-digit number, which I have in the next slide as well. So using this, we can use partial products to figure out our answer if you forget how to use some of the other strategies.